The iPhone 16 and 16 Plus come packed with features that every tech enthusiast should explore. First up, let's talk about the new Dynamic Island. It's not just for notifications anymore. You can now customize it to show live activities like sports scores or music playback. Next, the camera system has a game-changing photonic engine that enhances low-light performance. You'll be amazed at the detail in your night shots. And don't overlook the new action mode for video. It stabilizes your footage like a pro, making your adventures look cinematic. Now, let's dive into iOS 18. The new focus modes are more customizable than ever. You can tailor them to specific activities, like work or relaxation, and even sync them across your devices. Plus, the revamped Messages app now lets you edit sent texts and even unsend them, perfect for those last-minute changes. Lastly, check out the hidden feature in Safari. You can now group tabs and save them for later, keeping your browsing organized. With these tips and tricks, you'll unlock the full potential of your iPhone 16 and iOS 18.